trash. It gets into our rivers in a lot of different ways. Stormwater runoff, littering, strong winds, or illegal dumping. So that means we find a lot of different kinds of trash in our rivers. Couches, tires, fenders, bottles, cans, wrappers, and straws. No matter how small, any piece of trash can have a big impact on fish and other aquatic animals. Join the Adopt-A-River program as an individual, company, organization, or community group. Adopters commit to cleaning their adopted section of the river 2 times per year.
There are 3 high-priority sites that could really use your help. The first site is on Lincoln Creek, located near Havenwoods State Forest between West Florist Avenue and West Silver Spring Drive. The second site is also part of Lincoln Creek, along the Lincoln Creek Parkway between North 54th Street and North Sherman Boulevard. The third site is on the Menomonee River, following the Oak Leaf Trail from West Fond du Lac Avenue, along the Menomonee River Parkway to West Appleton Avenue.
Visit the Milwaukee Riverkeeper website to learn more about the Adopt-A-River program and to join the effort to help clean up Milwaukee's rivers.